Hello everyone, welcome to the Luo English Dictionary channel. My name is Nikki.
And my name is Agina.
Please make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video that we post
when we post. Today's video is about questions in the Luo language, how to question. And we shall just quickly talk about the questions and how to translate them. Luckily, we can now translate them right here. We are going to translate here and here and here and here. So we shall just be translating the questions as we move on. Okay?
Make sure you see the bloopers of our previous 2 videos.
I don't know which video this will be, so I cannot tell. But we have some bloopers by Nikki. This time we are not doing bloopers on any of our videos. We are now serious. And thank you so much for the people who subscribed, and please tell your friends to subscribe to our channel. So this video is about questions and how to ask a question. And we shall start with question number 1. Oidho kanyo nade? Say it like that.
Oidho kanyo nade.
Oidho kanyo nade. What does that mean in Luo, in English? So this is a situation where someone has climbed on a spot or on a tree or on a wall. So you're asking, how did he climb that? Oidho kanyo nade. Idho is climbing. Okay?
Yep.
In kod nyithindo adi.
In kod nyithindo adi.
What does that mean?
How many children do you have?
How many children do you have? Correct. Otimo ni kamano nango.
Otimoni ni kamano nano.
Otimo ni kamano nango.
Otimoni kamano nango.
Don't read. Listen to what I'm saying. Otimo ni kamano nango.
Otimoni kamo nango.
Otimoni kamano nango.
Otimoni kamo.
Kamano.
Kamano nango.
Yes. Otimoni kamano nango.
How did he do that?
Why is he doing that to you? Or why is she doing that to you? Nango.
Na, where?
What does nango mean?
How are you?
Hello. Nango. Okay? That's also a question. Nango. And you say?
Where?
Bear. Ango matagi.
Ango matagi.
Ango matagi.
Ango matagi.
What does that mean?
What is bothering you?
What's bothering you? Songo. What's bothering you? Uloro sikul kar ango.
Uloro sikul kar ango.
What does that mean?
When do you close school?
When does school close, or when are you closing the school? Okay?
Yeah.
Idhi kanye.
Idhi kanye.
Where are you?
Going.
What does that mean?
Where are you going?
Where are you going? Idhi kanye. Ere nyathiu matin cha.
Ere nyathiu matin cha.
Ere nyathiu matin cha.
Ere nyathiu matin cha.
Matin cha.
Matin cha.
Ere nyathiu matin cha.
Ere nyathiu matin cha.
What does that mean?
Where is your youngest kid?
Where is your young sibling? Like it's not your, like it's your sibling, but now the youngest one. Yeah. Where is she? Where is he? Okay? Eke nyithindu matindo ka.
Eke nyithindu matindo ka.
Eke nyithindu matindo ka.
Eke nyithindu matindo ka.
Where does that mean? What does that mean?
Where are the little kids?
Yeah, where are your siblings, the little kids who are your siblings, okay? Otingo machunga elwete mane.
Otingo machunga.
Otingo machunga elwete mane.
Otingo machungwa elwete nane.
Don't clap. Otingo machunga elwete mane.
Otingo machungwa elwete mane.
What does that mean?
Which hand is the orange in?
Which hand is okay, there's someone holding an orange. So he's asking, which hand is he holding the orange in? So the answer should be either left or right. And the left and right means what and what? A twitch and a charm.
A twitch, a charm.
Now go and research which one is a twitch and which one is a charm. If someone is good for you, they'll tell you in the comments. So you wait for the comments and you will know Achwich is which one and Acham is
Which one?
good. Jok mage mane obiro kawuono.
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 Jok mane magwe. Jok mane mage obiro
Jok mane jok mage mane obiro kawuono.
Jok mage mane obiro kawuono.
Mano, oh, what does that mean?
That means who came here?
Today.
Yeah.
Yeah, who are the people who came here today? Mano en nga.
Mano en nga. Who is that?
Who is that? Mano en nga. So like someone is knocking on your door, you say, Mano en nga, to ask, who is that? Now if you want to ask who is knocking, you say, Mano en nga ma duongo.
Duongo.
Mano en nga ma duongo no.
Mano en nga ma duongo no.
Who's knocking? Who is that who's knocking? Macha en ngano.
Macha en ngano.
Macha en ngano.
Macha en ngano.
Ngano is different from ngano.
Ngano.
What's ngano?
Ngano.
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 Macha en ngano.
Macha en ngano.
So if you ask macha en ngano, it's like asking, like you are talking to somebody, and I want to ask you, whom are you talking? Who is that you are talking to? Macha en ngano. But if you say macha en ngano, it's like a witness telling a policeman that is the person I was telling you about. So you say macha en ngano, that is a person.
So like ngano has two different meanings.
Yes, so you say macha en ngano.
Macha en ngano.
Or if you want to say that is a witness, that is not the witness, but the thief or the whatever. Yeah. You say macha en ngano.
Macha en ngano.
Yes. Okay. Ngano. Ngano.
Ngano. Ngano.
Yes. Which one? Where are we? Macha en ngawa.
Macha en ngawa.
Macha en ngawa.
Macha en ngawa.
That's the same thing as who is that?
Yeah.
Okay. But he's not here, but he's somewhere. Macha en ngawa.
Akia.
Akia, I don't know. Okay. Magi gin ngawa gini.
Magi gin ngawa gini.
Magi gin ngawa gini.
Magi gin ngawa gini.
This is majorly if your mom finds you with some kids and she doesn't know the kids in your house. Huh? So she'll ask, Magi gin ngawa gini.
Magi gin ngawa gini.
Magi gin ngawa gini.
Magi gin ngawa gini.
Who are these children here?
Who are these children here? Okay.
Konya kod pesa. What does that mean?
Give me some money.
Yes, help me with some money. Konya kod pesa.
Konya kod mesa.
Pesa. Oh, and pesa. Pesa takes different names. There is some people call pesa omwom. Some people call it sendi, especially the guys from Tanzania. They say sendi. Some say pesa. Just pesa as the Luo, the Swahili word. But most people say omwom.
Omwom.
Konya kod omwom.
Konya kod omwom.
Help me with money. And if I don't want to give you, I'll say marango.
Marango.
What for? Okay?
Yeah.
And if you want to say, I want this to go here, no. Okay, if you want to say, I want to go and make my hair, you say, Adwa this sukogowiya. Okay?
Adwaro di sukogowiya.
Good. I think that's basics of asking questions, and we are trying to bring in the tone so that you see how to actually ask the question.
And maybe in the next video, if my dad agrees, we might start showing scenes of the actual act of the word, how you pronounce the word in a situation, right?
Like which one? Okay, maybe we'll discuss that and let you know. Pieki.
If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a like, give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Ding, 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 ding.
So that you never miss a video that we post
When we
post. So
You
you can get us in all social media channels. Luo English Dictionary is our name. Everywhere you go, you'll find Luo English Dictionary. And we thank you so much for the support. For now, Oriti.